15 cases of COVID virus in Jamaica. Now, before you go any further, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notification. Now, the last time I came on, we had 10 cases. Now, preliminary results have indicated 5 additional cases of COVID virus in Jamaica. Now, preliminary means they haven't gotten back the final results as yet, right? They are basically assuming that they have 5 additional cases. So then do the test, them send it off, and they suspect that these 5 persons actually have the virus. Now let's jump into the story. This would move to 15, the number of cases here in Jamaica. In a statement, the Minister of Health said 2 of the cases are linked to the patient who traveled from the United Kingdom. That is patient 0. The third patient has a travel history to Trinidad and Tobago and was on the same flight as a confirmed case. Remember, one of the cases that they have is a Trinidad, somebody that traveled to Trinidad, from Trinidad here to Jamaica. The 4th patient is an American child who traveled through Miami. That tell me say Miami, something go on in Miami because most I flight them come through Miami. The 5th case is a Kingston patient with no travel history but who recently hosted visitors from the United Kingdom. They have a lot of cases there, and the government has put a ban on all travel from the United Kingdom. So UK people now gonna come here, only persons that they were expected, and certain persons, and those persons will be quarantined before they are let into the country for at least 14 days. They involve a patient in isolation at the Mandeville Regional Hospital and another at the St. Anne's Bay Hospital. The Minister of Health says that he's waiting to confirm the results of these persons. So the 5 additional cases, this is a developing story. Preliminary results. This would bring us to 15 cases. I think that there's more than 15 cases because of the trajectory of things, how things are going. I want to know what you guys think. If you think that there is more cases out there, or the 15 cases is actually what we have right here recorded in Jamaica.